Did you know that guava leaves can also be used for weight loss? There's some evidence that guava leaf may bolster your weight loss efforts, so drinking tea made from guava leaves has become quite popular. Simply drinking guava leaf tea probably won't help you lose weight, but it may help to curb your appetite, and it's a great calorie-free drink option. You can make guava leaf tea using fresh or dried guava leaves. Drink the tea before eating a meal or in place of your morning coffee to reap the guava leaf's weight loss benefits. Making tea from fresh guava leaves. Rinse the leaves under running water to clean them. Guava leaves sometimes have a coating of powder on them, which you will need to rinse off. Hold the leaves under running water for about 30 seconds to rinse off the powder. Rinse about 20 leaves for the tea. Another option is to fill a bowl with cool water and dunk the leaves into it. Then, replace the water and repeat 2 more times to get the leaves clean. Pour 12 fluid ounce, 350 milliliters, of water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Fill a small to medium-sized pot and place it on the stove top. Then, turn on the heat to medium-high and bring the water to a boil. Add the leaves to the water and boil them for 10 minutes. Once the water is boiling, add the guava leaves to the pot. Boil the leaves in the water for the next 10 minutes. If the leaves float to the top of the water, use a metal or a wooden spoon to push them back down. Remove the pot from the heat and strain the liquid through a colander. After 10 minutes, place a colander or tea strainer over a mug. Pour the desired amount of the liquid through the colander to strain out the leaves. This recipe makes enough for 2 6 fluid ounce, 180 milliliters, servings. Enjoy the tea hot or pour it over a glass filled with ice. If desired, you may also sweeten the tea with honey, sugar, or a calorie-free sweetener, such as stevia. Brewing dried guava leaves. Add 1 teaspoon, 2.5 grams, of guava leaf powder to a tea infuser. This is enough powder to make 8 fluid ounce, 240 milliliters, of guava leaf tea. Increase the amount to make a larger batch. Measure out the powder and put it into a metal, ceramic, or other type of tea infuser or strainer. You can order powdered guava leaves or guava leaf tea online. Pour 6 fluid ounce, 180 milliliters, of hot water over the tea infuser in a mug. Bring the water to a boil in a teapot and then pour it over the tea infuser in a mug. Let the tea steep for 10 minutes. You may cover the teacup with a plate if desired. This will help to keep the heat in and prevent the water from cooling down too much. If you're using the guava leaves to help treat digestive or sugar issues, you're more likely to experience results from a tea, rather than using capsule or powdered guava. Remove the infuser and drink the tea hot or pour it over ice. After time is up, take the infuser or tea strainer out of the cup. Then, you can either drink the tea hot or pour it over a cup filled with ice if you want to make iced tea. If desired, you may also add honey, sugar, or a calorie-free sweetener, such as stevia. You can also flavor the tea with juice from a lemon.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,